Hey, if you want to connect your Huawei FreeBuds SE2 with the Huawei AI Life application, let me show you how easily you can do this. So first of all, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and then open the browser. In this video, I'm going to use the Google Chrome. Next, on the search pool, we have to select the search pool and type Huawei AI Life. So we are searching for this application. You cannot download it from the Play Store because the version on the Play Store is outdated. And here we have to select the first search, the Huawei global website. So click on it once. If you have any pop-up notifications, you have to accept all of them. Then we have to click on this red button install now. And then we have to wait for a few seconds. We will be moved to this app gallery via browser and click on the blue install button. Now we'll be able to download this application right here. So select download via browser. And now just click download. You have to click download anyway. I'm not going to do this because I already have this application, but if you are looking for this app when you download it, go to the downloads and you will find it right here. So next you have to just click on this icon and tap install. If you have this notification to enable installation from the unknown sources from the Google Chrome, you have to grant permission. And then you will basically have this simple process. So click to open, click continue if you have this screen, tap next, tap agree, and now accept location. And here what we have to do is to grab our earbuds. If they are not going to enter the pairing mode automatically, like in my case, you have to move them manually. So we have to find this sensor on the right headphone and on the left this one. We have to click and hold right here, so we have to do this like this, touch it gently, and then take a look for this indicator. It definitely will start blinking white. So now we can release both sensors, put it close to your phone with the case open, and tap on the plus, just right here. Right now it is looking for the nearby devices and select our FreeBuds SE2. Accept the pairing. As you can see, it's keep connecting, and now we can select them from the list and click to enable them just right here. It is downloading some additional plugin, but after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. It goes pretty fast, as you can see. There we go. So click on them, and right now here we are. So that's all. Bye.